Here we go, here we go, here we go. Another piece of maintenance for this Zodiac G3. It's this FINNED disc. That's what it's called, or I'll figure it out and put it right across. It's yeah, flattening disc. So a lot of times you will see that they start to rip here, or they get so thin that as your cleaner is going, it collapses and it's actually getting sucked into here. That's time to replace it, okay? Very straightforward, very easy replacement, okay? Right here you got the foot pad, and I'll leave a link to the description for that video because I just made one on how to replace this. And this FINNED disc sits nice and tucked in there. So you have to pull and stretch until it comes over this, and then it'll peel right off, okay? See, starting to get. And now you got it like this, and you don't want, that's it, boom. Pretty straightforward, okay? You got the foot pad exposed, and this is how they send you the new ones, okay? All wrapped up, boom, just like that. All right, so top, if you're confused on what side goes, right? Yeah, that's it. It says top. And that's the one that you have to have exposed. So you have to flip it over, and kind of reverse order. You want to be able to stretch this out over to where it's going to sit in between the lip of the foot pad, okay? So I'm going to hold this, place this, and you just need one point to enter, okay? Okay, already got a little bit over here, start put it over there. And that's it. Very simple, very straightforward. It's about a minute, okay? Only thing is, make sure that, where is it? Where's this top? Right, that's the part that you want facing up. And now this will float around nice. It won't bend like the old one was just getting so flexible. I'm not having any time doing that. There's like no resistance. And this new one, I actually feel the resistance. It's nice and thick. So that's how you replace this FINNED disc. And yeah, I'll leave a description for this in the comments. I'll leave a link for this part in the description, and I should have already left a link on the video on how to replace the foot pad. So any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you next time.